This is a special moment for them. I mean, what do you expect from them heading into this first ever Copa Libertadores game in their history?
First time in the Copa Libertadores. They did qualify last year for the Sudamericana. They played Guarani in Asunción and they lost. So this is the big one now, right? Alianza Lima is a huge team in South America in terms of support. It's one of the best supported teams. They're coming to, well, we're debating off air, right? Is it the countryside, not the countryside, but the deep Paraguayan, far away from Asuncion in the Rio Parapeti, which has hosted big games before because it was built for the Copa America back in 1999. So it has hosted, big games before. But the first time ever for Dos de Mayo that they play a competitive game against a non-Paraguayan team, and they get to do it there. The coach now is Eduardo Ledesma, he was a very nice, technical, good midfielder in his day. He played for the national team. He went viral recently because Danny Alves of Brazil was pictured wearing a Paraguay shirt, and everyone didn't click at first until Eduardo Ledesma, he filled in the blanks. He said, that was me. I swapped with Danny Alves at a time when he was playing in Lanús and he was getting called up. So Ledesma has a lot of experience, played for the national team. While he was at Lanús, he played a lot of Libertadores football, I think 3, 4 seasons. So hopefully he can bring some of that for Dos de Mayo